Good morning, students. Today I am going to solve class 10 advanced maths exercise 5 question number 6. Here is the question: how many zeros are there between the decimal points and the first significant digit after decimal in the following numbers? These are the numbers are given here: Roman 1 2 to the power minus 64, Roman 2 half to the power 1000, Roman 3 3 to the power minus 6. So I will now solve one by one all these sums. So let's have a look how to solve this one. Student, now this is the first question of exercise 5 class 10 advanced maths. Question number 6, Roman 1 2 to the power minus 64. Now how to solve this one? Let's have a look. First of all, student, I will write here solution. Then I will start writing this one. Let x equal to 2 to the power minus 64. Now in both sides I will add log x, and here would be log 2 to the power minus 64. Just after that log 2 to the power minus 64. Now this will come on this side, minus 64 into log 2. Now student, we have to put here value of log 2. Now what is the value of log 2? Look here, log 2 equal to means value of log 2 equal to 0.30103. This is the value of log 2. Now I will just put the value here of log 2. So minus 64 into 0.30103. Now I have to go for the multiplication here. So after multiplying this value with 64, answer would be minus. Then look student, in the rough work I have shown the multiplication. Answer would be 1926,592. Now look, 1 2 3 4 5 digits after the decimal. So here also look, 1 2 3 4 5, which means answer would be 19.26592. Now student, look, if 19 if there is a negative sign before 19, which means the whole value is negative. Now just after that we have to split up this one, like 19 then minus 0.26592. Now this 19 can be written like this: minus 20 plus 1. Minus 20 plus 1 means 19, and this value will remain same, 0.26592. Now just after that, now look student, 1 minus this value. Look, in the rough work I have shown the subtraction. 1 minus this value, answer would be 0.73408. so here would be minus 20 plus 1 minus this value is 0.73408. Now after that, now student, if we add these two value, then answer would be 20 bar. Why? Because there is a negative sign, that's why negative sign before 20, that's why there is a bar. Then add this value 0.73408. now just after that, now student, I will write here, hence characteristics, characteristics characteristics equal to 20 bar. This is the characteristics. And number of zeros, therefore number of zeros between the decimal point and the first significant digit after decimal. This could be 20 minus 1. Answer is 19. This is our ultimate answer. Now student, this is question number 6 Roman 2 half to the power 1000 from exercise 5 class 10 advancements. So before solving this one, student, I will write here solution. Then let x equal to half to the power 1000. Now just after that, taking log on both sides, log x, and here would be log half to the power 1000. Now just after that, 1000 and into log half. Now this is the formula log m by log n, so this will remain same 1000, and here we will use this formula log to the power 2 to the power minus 1, because using that formula here, look, a to the power minus m equal to 1 by a to the power m. That formula I am using here. Okay, now just after that, 1000 into this minus 1 will come here, then value of log 2. So now value of log 2 equal to 0.30103. So just I will put the value here, 1000 into minus 1, then value of log 2 is 0.30103. Now here would be 1000 into minus 1, then 0.30103. Now student, now look, in the rough work I am showing you the multiplication 1000 here, and there could be 0.30103. Now this type of multiplication is very easy actually. Just remove the decimal like this. Point means 1, after that 5 digit means 50 here. Now cancel these 3, the remaining is 2 only, so 301.03. this is the multiplication. So just put the value here, minus will remain same here, then 301.03. this is the value after multiplication. This is the rough work part. Now look, this can be written, if negative is in front of the value of the integral part 301, then minus 301, then minus 0.03. Now this minus 301 can be written minus 302 plus 1, which means we'll get the minus 301 again, and minus 0.03. Now if we go for minus from here, look, 1 and 0.03 we have to subtract decimal point, then 20 here, then 10 minus 3, 7, there is 9 now, and here would be 0 only. So answer would be minus 302 and plus 0.97. Now since there is a negative sign, so there would be bar, 302 bar and 97. Just after that we will write here, hence characteristics, characteristics equal to 302 bar, and therefore the number of 0 between, this is the short form of between the decimal point, and the first significant digit after decimal equal 302 minus 1. Answer would be 301. This is the ultimate answer. Student, actually number 6 question is very easy. Like this you have to solve all the problems. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.